ngayon sa Muriwai Beach Campground since long weekend. Kasi Auckland anniversary is Monday, so wala kaming pasok. Sama ko ulit si Pingu. Daddy. Dadrive ulit si Mami. We're on the way. Tapos umuulan na naman. The forecast is gonna rain. So annoying. So ang dami na naman namin bitbit. Police reported ahead. Puro greeneries. Lawak. Hello guys ulit. Dito na kami sa Muriwai Beach. And nag-CR break muna kami. Pero nandun yung beach area. Narinig ko na. Ang lakas ng alon. Sobrang lakas din ng hangin kasi dito sa part na yun. Dito naman, yan. Open area naman siya kasi ito yung mga parking. Yung campsite namin nandun pa sa kabila. Kasi dito sa part na to, bawal mag-camping. Merong designated na campsite. Hindi siya pa. Wow! Look at the waves! Yeah, may brief na! Come on! Ngayon kang brief aray! Wow! Look at that! I can't swim on that. It's too cold. Oh! Whoa. Set up kami ng mini tent. Medyo naambulan. Hi! There's the camp inside. Look at the tent, so good. So this one is Muriwai Beach Campground. You can see all the tents. This one is like the empowered one, and there's a cabin over there. So usually this one, they're gonna give it to us. Look. Yeah. It's electric fan. 없어요.
What is that? Takoyaki?
떡볶이. We're eating. Nagtuwa. Ha? Ay?
Stop. Hey, 8, 2, 3, bubbles. Stop.
Say hi. Where are you going? Where are you hit the? Yeah, adobo.
Thank you, Lord,
Kimchi.
for this food.
Hello.
Okay, so thank you for everything. Can make some food.
Yeah.
Come on, let's eat. Let's have some dinner.
So it's basically so kagabi medyo mainit lang konti. Akala nga sobrang lamig kasi malapit kami sa beach. Pero hindi pa. Mas pinawisan pa ako kaya and kitang kita dito sa dito yung alon. Sobrang lakas ng alon dito. Pero ang babaw lang. And taking coffee na. Tapos nandun lang dun sa alon. Sila Mami at Daddy nagtitising na kanina pa. Kaya aga na dito. Here, eat. So everyone else is going home na. Kami na lang yung natitira. Already cooked our lunch. This one and that one. So we're going for a walk today. So ito yung kanina area to ng mga Pilipino. Uwi na lang sila. Ang dami na umuwi kasi it's going to rain today until tomorrow morning. So they go home early. But this area is so big. We're here at the beach. So the waves are getting stronger and bigger again. Can't move. So hi, nandito ako ngayon sa cabin. And it's currently raining so hard today. Buti na lang nakapagluto na kami at nakapag-pack up na yung kasama namin kasi uuwi sila later. I'm thinking ginger tea or the turmeric one because my throat is itching.
Baka naman pwedeng mag-serve breakfast. Coffee.
So last day. Morning. So it's our last day today.
Last day.
It's our mom's and dad's parents' anniversary. Yun. Marami nang movie kagabi. Also yung kasama namin movie na rin. Dito sa area na to, wala nang masyado. Nagsiuwian na. And starting to rain na naman. It's already pagod na. Hindi na kami kasi baka abutin namin ng mga trailer and water ko lang